Hey guys, this is Jaren, and I want to make a mini game that's a free-for-all style mini game where each player that's competing is going to be given a bow and arrow at the start, and the object of the game is just going to be to hunt down the other players, and it'll be like last man standing wins kind of game. All right, so we'll be using the library that I made, Arena Minigames library, to help us out with this, and starting in this video, we're just going to select a piece of land. I've already actually selected this piece of land, which I think is a pretty cool piece of land, as the arena. We'll save it as a schematic, and then we'll test it out to make sure that it works properly. All right, so the first thing that I did is I got my wand by doing / wand. So this wooden axe is my wand. If you don't know what that is, you can check out what wand means. It's a world edit thing. So you can Google world edit wand. You probably come up with some videos on how to use a wand. All right, so basically, wand is just a selection tool. So I'm going to use it to select a big chunk of land. So we've got position 2 set there. And then we'll come over to the opposite side. And then we'll set position 1. Okay, and then just to see what we have selected, we'll do a / set air. Okay, looks like a square more or less, which is the goal, and which is good. So we'll do an undo, so you get the hill back. And then what we'll do is we'll do an outline in glowstone. Okay, probably just taking a couple minutes because it's, or not a couple minutes, a couple seconds, because it's a big area. Awesome, so now we have this arena that's set up. You know what I actually like? I think what I want to do instead is, well, let's do an outline in glass. I think that'd be cooler. Cool. So we've got the whole thing outlined as glass. And why don't we just patrol the map a little bit. We'll just check out what we have. Make sure that there's good hiding places and everything. Part of good level design. Okay. So make sure that you can like climb up. That's good. So you can get on this hill. Okay. Alright, I'm already really liking this. Alright, so we've got the whole thing outlined, and now what we need to do is a / copy, to just copy the area, and then we'll do / skem save, and then archery showdown arena. Okay, so now the arena is actually saved, and at this point I should be able to paste down this entire thing as a schematic. So I'll be right back, and I just want to make sure that that works. Alright, so I've got a new mod created where with the mod I've used the paste schematic block. Really simple mod. Actually, I guess I could show you here real quick. So we'll go off full screen, go to my mod. So this is the mod. It's very simple. All I do is I paste down the schematic, which I refer to here with my Minecraft name, all lowercase, /, and then the name of the schematic as I saved it. And then I just paste it down at the location of me. So this is not the finished product for the Archery Showdown minigame. It's just a test to make sure that my schematic is working. Alright, so if we switch back to the game, Okay, so the test will be if I run this mod, it should give us this whole hill right here outlined in glass in the sky. So I just ran it, and it'll probably be a little bit little laggy because it's such a big area. See, like I just ran the time set day command and it didn't register that. So let's just see what happens. Okay, cool. Looks like it worked. I really like it. Let's just go inside and make sure everything looks cool. Yeah, this is awesome. Got like this little island right here with some lily pads, some nice little hiding spots. It's all outlined in glass. Okay. All right, looking good. So in the next video, what I'll do is I'll just put together the code blocks needed to create the little minigame server within the server. All right, thanks for watching, guys.